my dear students. In this particular video I will try to cover all the question and answer given at the end of chapter how do plants live. Okay, and it would be considered as the summary of the chapter. So let us begin with the topic nutrition. Now what is nutrition? It is how food affects the health of the body. Food is comprised of micronutrients, and micronutrients include protein, carbohydrate, fat that not only offer calories to fuel the body and give it energy but play specific roles in life processes. Life processes include digestion, ingestion, growth, nourishment of worn out tissues, and many more activities. So these activities require nutrition to carry out their processes. Now the second topic for the chapter is photosynthesis. Now it is a process by which green plants make use of sunlight to synthesize nutrients from carbon dioxide and water. Photosynthesis in plants generally involves the green pigment, right? They are capable of making their own food due to the presence of green pigment termed as chlorophyll. Okay, and generates oxygen as a byproduct. Whenever photosynthesis process is carried out, it generates oxygen as a byproduct. The process of photosynthesis is commonly written as, now you can see the equation of the photosynthesis. Plants have CO2, H2O, they produce glucose, and oxygen they release. Okay, next, what is the difference between chlorophyll and chloroplast? These two are totally different. So let us discuss about chlorophyll and chloroplast. Now chlorophyll is the green pigment due to which the plants carry out the process of photosynthesis. Traps light and passes high energy electrons into photosystems. Third point, gives a green color to chloroplast. Chloroplast को color मिलता है due to the presence of chlorophyll. Found in plants, algae and cyanobacteria do not consist of their own organelle DNA found in thylakoid membrane of chloroplast. Now what do you mean by chloroplast? Chloroplast is basically the organelle which is involved in the photosynthesis process, organized into chloroplast, which provides space for both light and dark reactions of photosynthesis. ये gives a green color to plants. Found in all plants and algae, consist of their own organelle DNA called cpDNA, and mostly found in leaves of plants. This was the difference between chlorophyll versus chloroplast. Now, how do green plants make food? The process by which green plants make their own food is photosynthesis, right? And their own food is glucose, which they derive with the help of carbon dioxide and water, as we have discussed the equation in short about the photosynthesis process. In this process, the presence of chlorophyll is very important. Oxygen is produced during photosynthesis. Okay, and that oxygen gas is very crucial for the survival of living organisms. Next, this question is very important. How do saprophytes help in cleaning the environment? Now we all are aware about saprophytes. These are the organisms which used to live on the death and decaying matter, right? They survive on death and decaying matter. Saprophytes help us in keeping the environment clean. Saprophytes help us to keep the environment clean because they survive over the death and decaying matter. They convert death and decaying matter into liquid. and then suck up the nutrients present in those death and decaying matter they survive, right? So what they do, they suck up the nutrients from death material, and rest part is left away and is it get washed away by rain or water. Okay, now what are the functions of stomata? The functions of stomata include, basically stomata are present in the guard cells as a closed bean like structures they have. Okay, bean like structures होता है उनका. Stomata normally opens during light. Whenever they came in contact or senses light, they open and close during the night time. Its main function is the exchange of gases. Its main function is exchange of gases, opening and closing the pores in the leaves. It helps in removing water from the leaves. Its main function is in the exchange of gases, opening and closing of the pores in the leaves, and it helps in water removing from the leaves. And last function is it takes carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis, which is most important for living organisms in order to make their living very easy. So this is all about the chapter 1, how do plants live. It's very important. Please go through this video, learn all the summary and questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Bye and take care, students.